Most documents contain other elements besides text. Let's learn how to insert some things into a document, such as a picture and a table. You do this with the commands on the Insert tab. Let's start by adding a picture. To insert an object, you first click where you want to add it, and then you choose what you want to add. Locate a picture, and then click Insert. Word tries to move everything around to make the picture fit, but if it doesn't look right, you can change it. First, we'll resize the picture using these little handles around the border. When you click a corner handle, you can drag the mouse toward the center of the picture until it's about the right size. Next, to adjust how the text lines up with the picture, click this button to look at layout options. By default, this option is selected, in line with text. You can click the other options to see what they do. For example, the square option lets the text flow around the border of the picture. Now, click the center of the picture and move it to align the picture with the margins and paragraph. Notice that when the picture is selected, you get a new tab on the ribbon. When you click that tab, you see all kinds of interesting options for formatting for your picture. We could spend hours trying all the formatting options, but let's move on to tables. Click where you want to insert a table, and then click Insert. Just move the mouse over these boxes in the grid until you get the number of rows and columns you're looking for. Then click. You can always add or remove rows or columns later. Next, click in a cell to add text. To add formatting, hold the mouse over the table and this little box appears above the top left corner. Click the box to select the table. Now, use the mini toolbar or move up to the ribbon and check out the Table Tools tabs that appear when you select the table. Let's go to this Design tab, the one under Table Tools, and select a style from the Table Styles gallery. If you want to add a row, just hold the mouse over the border, and this bar with a plus in it appears. Click the plus sign, and there's a new row. You can do the same thing to add a column. Explore some of the other commands on the Insert tab to see the kinds of things you can add to your document. Learn more at support.office.com.